Hi everyone, it's Brian from Globestock. I just wanted to give you a quick update on a couple of small features we've incorporated into the latest model of the SAVER. Although this is a very straightforward and minor change, it's something that was actually we've done off the back of feedback from some of our service centres when they've seen these units come in from service after being in the field. So the minor change we've made is we've just inserted some drain holes into the unit to allow water to pass through the unit rather than pooling within it. Drain holes have been inserted on the top of the unit, and the reason for that is that these units are actually normally attached to devices on an incline. It makes sense for the drain holes to be on the top so that when the water tracks into the unit through the rope, it can then run straight out through either of these drain holes. The drain holes are actually machined into the case during the machining process, and we do it on both sides of the case so that when the case comes together, we get a nice clean channel for the water to run through. So although we have inserted these drain holes, our advice is always to remove these devices from the anchorage that they're connected to when they're not in use for extended periods. And if you need any more information about this or you have any questions, then please contact us at globestocksafety.com.